So, thank you very much. Follow this excellent, wonderful, healthy fruits. And one another benefit is your body complexion glows very well with this kind of fruits. You are damn sure to reduce your weight very successfully. Your weight you will be automatically reducing to a perfect weight. Those people all are already obese. They can control the obesity by switching over one time fruit, that is night time. Your dinner must be abundant fruits, whatever you like. Then you will surprise, your obesity will automatically, very wonderfully, surprising control will be there. You can reduce your weight successfully. So, I request you to accept my challenge. Many a times, political leaders, celebrities, they throw a challenge, they sweep the road one day and they will boast it. They will take a photograph and publish and telecast for namesake. But here, this challenge is for your health, for your health. Accept this challenge. Eat only fruits. Again, I will tell you. This is fig or anjeer. This is black jamun. This is muskmelon. This is watermelon. This is papaya. This is banana. If you want to eat sapota, or sapota means chiku. Sapota or jackfruit or mango. Reduce some of the portion from this and eat that. Even a big mango can be eaten by you. You can add apples to this or guava to this. Any kind of fruits. One day, every day you can change the fruits according to your taste. Accept this challenge. Give me feedback by WhatsApp. I'll be happy. At least few people respond to this challenge and what they have got, the result. Give through a voice message in WhatsApp. It will help me to circulate to the people around the world who are troubling with diabetes, taking insulin, taking tablets, and following so many tips. YouTube itself is confused. It will confuse you with so many kinds of tips. But one fact is, there is no medicine to cure diabetes, but you can control it successfully. This is my experience with 40 years, and I have cured successfully, given how to control the blood sugar to many people, and they are very, very happy in my state, that is in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The people from North India, please accept my challenge and give me feedback. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Venkat Seshaya from Hyderabad. You know very well that I am doing homeopathy medical service throughout the world through homeopathy medical groups. And personally, I am replying to many people from North India. But today, I want to throw a challenge to a diabetic people. There are many diabetic people nowadays. They are suffering with diabetes, using tablets and insulin sometimes, even though the diabetes is not under control. The main reason is diabetes can never be cured in any system of the medicine. There is no cure. Several tips are given in YouTube and other places in Facebook and other places, but they are tips, but they cannot cure you. They will help a little bit. That is the only thing. But people ignore all these things. They go on worrying about diabetes. If you worry more about diabetes, the complications are more. The simple thing, the diabetic doctor who will not tell you the reasons for diabetes. The reasons most of the time for diabetes is lack of exercise and no control over food what we take. And stress is the first cause. In the initial stage, diabetes appears when the person is in serious depression, anxiety, or over stress, which cannot be managed by him. So worry makes it the diabetes appears suddenly. He thinks that then instead of consoling himself, he worries a lot further. In such cases, the doctor prescribes some medicines, but he won't find time to tell you, or even if he tells you, will not follow the things what he says. Generally, the doctor gives a medicine in the beginning, metformin. He will prescribe a metformin 500 mg medicine. He will tell you most of the time. He may not tell also. What the thing he has to tell is, you have to do exercise. Without exercise, proper exercise and proper hard work, physical hard work and diet control, diabetes can never be controlled just by means of medicines. But we don't hear properly the doctor what he says. We go on taking medicines, and without restriction, we eat abundant carbohydrates. What are the carbohydrates we are regularly consuming is North India, rice, main wheat, maida, jowar, ragi, bajra, all these kind of food grains, they contain carbohydrates. This carbohydrates is the main cause for our diabetes, uncontrollable diabetes. The carbohydrates which we take will be converted into glucose. Then for assimilation of glucose, for proper burning of the glucose, you need insulin. If insulin is not sufficient from the pancreas, the diabetes blood sugar levels are increased. To control diabetes, several people do several things, several techniques, several tips, homeopathy medicines, allopathy medicines, Ayurveda medicines, all commercial things have come into place. But only one thing is important thing is, there everybody fears to eat fruits, thinking that fruits causes a lot of increase in blood glucose. Blood sugar is increased by means of eating fruits. It is a wrong notion. Actually, these fruits contain a complex sugars. What are the complex sugars? Sugar contains glucose, fructose, sucrose, maltose, lactose. These kinds of sugars are there in fruits. Lactose is lactose contains in milk actually, but to digest these fruits we don't need much insulin. Reason is the fruits contain complex sugars, that is glucose little, fructose, sucrose. These three items are there in each and every fruit. Fruits can be digested very easily, and moreover all the fruits contain antioxidants, good fiber content, and other essential minerals and healthy aspect. People, those who are with diabetic, they ignore and they stop taking fruits even though they are very much interested to eat fruits. Everybody wants to eat mango, but unhappy thing is doctors tell them not to eat many fruits. They give a list of fruits: mango, banana, sitaphal, custard apple, and jackfruit. Likewise, they give many fruits. And from that day onwards, we stop taking fruits. The contrary, they say only 2-3 fruits. One is jamun. They will ask you, you can consume jamun. And apple, 1 or 2 apples you can take, like that they will say. And watermelon. Such fruits they tell. But surprisingly, everybody can eat any quantity of fruits, any kind of fruits. That is the fact. Now, today I am throwing a challenge to you that this is the plate of fruits now I am showing you. Here so many fruits. Take this challenge for 1 week. You will surprise your fasting blood sugar will be very much normal even right from day 1 or day 2. Start taking only fruits in the night. Whatever the quantity, whatever the variety of fruits you want, you can consume all the fruits, whatever you like. This is the secret. You check yourself. This is the challenge to you. Check yourself. Eat this kind of fruits, whatever you like. Then next day, morning, immediately getting up from the bed, within half an hour, without consuming anything, check up your blood glucose with a glucometer in your house, or go to a laboratory and check it up. You will surprise those who are having 200 earlier. After consuming this fruit, you will get only 100, below 100, many times below 100. What is the reason? You don't need insulin to assimilate, to burn these sugars that contains in this fruit. Whereas if you eat this fruit, in addition again you are taking carbohydrates like roti, pulka, or upma, or oats, or any such thing, whatever it may be. You can call it jowar, ragi, bajra, anything you consume apart from fruits, your sugar will not be controlled. But as a nice thing, if you can consume only fruits in the night and check up your blood sugar in the next day morning in fasting, it will be surprisingly normal even without taking a tablet or insulin. Try this. This is the challenge for you. You satisfy yourself. If your sugar is controlled, you can follow this system. You can wonderfully control your blood sugars. Excellent, without any problem. This is the way we have to live happily eating all the fruits whatever we like. We like many fruits. Why should we leave it? We are accustomed to eat junk food, untimely food taking, and most of the time stress and eating excess amount of carbohydrates. These are the typical things that causes hike in blood glucose, blood sugar hike. So I request you to take my challenge and try to control your food intake in the afternoon. Don't consume any other food. Evening at 7 o'clock, you take this much of fruits. See how many fruits here I am telling you. This is jamun. This is black jamun. Very good for health. And this is figs. What do you know about figs? This is anjeer food. Anjeer fruit. Anjeer or fig. This is papaya. This is papaya means, you know very well, papita or something that they call in Hindi. Papaya. This is watermelon. This is watermelon. This is pomegranate. This is pomegranate. This is muskmelon. Muskmelon. Even you can cut short some of these fruits and add one big mango also. You don't need to stop eating mango. Mango is a very sweet and very healthy fruit. Sweetness is not here important. This is complex sugars. For such complex sugars, you don't need much insulin. Even you can take a banana. Take this challenge, and after 2-3 days, anybody can write to me what is their results. You can give a voicemail in my WhatsApp that what you have consumed, which fruits you have consumed, and what is the result next day, what kind of result you have achieved by eating these kind of fruits. Certainly you will be benefited, you will be astonished. Even fasting sugar with tablet, if you are getting 180, 200 like that also, you will get remarkable change. So consider this kind of food. And morning for lunch, you can take little rice and abundant curry. Little rice or one chapati or something like that. Little carbs, very few carbs. This way you can control successfully and walk 90 minutes in the morning. Of course, elderly people, they may not be able to walk. They can sit at least 30 to 50 minutes in the morning sunlight, because you need a lot of vitamin D for our regular active metabolism. If you are deficit of vitamin D, your health is in trouble. So kindly take care and accept my challenge. You give a comment whether you are ready to accept this kind of challenge. You will be astonished. You will be enjoying by eating fruits which you have stopped all